Hey traders, Park here with another indicator. Actually not an indicator, but hopefully a solution to a lot of problems or issues. At least I find, especially when it comes in with my labels. If I zoom in, you can see how my labels kind of sort of interfere with price. Some labels interfere with price. But for the most part, if you've used ThinkorSwim, you know how the labels can cover up a lot of stuff. So my solution was to come up with labels being able to stack them. So now all my labels are to the left of the screen, and I can zoom in price as much as I want. And yeah, it'll be over here over covering this price, but my main focal area is right here. So the easy way that I found out to do this was to just go in, add in these. Like I said, these are random labels. So there's this is the code, but they're just random labels. But all you have to, I don't think I did was go in, add this little stackable thing, and then just put a space in between where you would normally have your labels. Like right here where it has the name, I just put a space. I just took this space bar and pushed it all the way over. And that's really all you have to do. If I were to take this and push this all the way over, you can actually see how it extends that label out. So I'm going to push it back closer to this quotation mark right here. So these are, it's put in quotes, and that's how you really do the labels. But once I apply it, you can see where it goes away. So the real secret behind this is actually here where the labels are. So I had to make this translucent. So normally, if I were to just leave it alone regularly, you're gonna have wind up with these black stripes across this. So I don't know how many spaces I put in between this to push to make these stack the way they are, but for the most part, the solution is to come in, go to the label, or the one I have labeled label, and just go in and press 100 to make it completely transparent. And that's the way I've solved this problem. I one of the things I got from one of the things I like for fun with I'm trying to remember, use ThinkScript. So they're fundamental labels. So I really like the fundamental labels. Where is it? It's probably not gonna show up just because I have so much in here. So let's push this down, and it might not. It's not gonna show up because it's on a lower time frame. That's what it is. And I'm on an E mini, so we'll just go Tesla. So those are the fundamental labels. I was looking for the ones. Is this it? Yeah. So this is where you will run into the problems. Once you start zooming in, you can't see anything. So this would be a solution for that. So let me find my labels indicator. Here we go. If I can get it back up here. Let's see. Okay, so I got the labels back up there, and you can see how I kind of pushed it down. So you want to use this strategy or this trick, I should say, with this type of indicator right here, to just to space out all the labels or space out a few of the labels so you can still see price, and that's where the stackable deal comes in and comes into play. It really just helps you out. But look in the link in the description. I'll leave this example right here. I won't leave all of them in here, all these labels in here, but I will leave an example in the link in the description and just download it and play with it and make it your own. But that's the way I found, feasible way that I found to fix the labels from being in the way of my price, especially when I'm zooming in. But this is the end of the video. I appreciate you guys taking the time out to listen to what I had to say. I hope it was helpful. I wish you the best and God bless. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe.